what we do is you open the Excel document, you go, we'll take this address, copy, then we go to Bing. Okay, it used to work good with Chrome, but I don't know why it doesn't now. So you go to Bing and you enter the address, not here, but here. Okay, I don't know why it makes a difference. So company, you enter the address. Okay, so now here you'll see the map on the right hand side, but you see there's only 3. You want more than that, so we click here and we'll get a complete list. So not all of them are at that address, but most, so it's okay. So you see, you have a lot. So what you do, you copy. Oops. Okay, you copy here. Control C. Then we go to Notepad. Enter this. Now, as you can see, all of the companies are there. They're all there. So we'll just do a copy all, select all, copy. Now we're gonna go to Copilot. Okay, because what we want a nice Excel document. We want it formatted for what we want to do. So we go there, we open a new, go here. Okay, now we'll give them instruction. The instruction we'll give them is this. Here's a list. Of companies with addresses, phone. Please make an Excel sheet with one column for name, what they do, address, phone, and the last column, and find the website. You see, it will find for us the website. So we go there. Enter this. That's the prompt. Now we want to go back. Control C. And we'll enter. Now you'll see the magic, what it's going to do. Almost instantly. Yeah, it did a nice document for us. And then you got here the work they just did. Okay, live website address. So we'll go down, you copy, go to, you want to have, and then, oops, have a new Excel. Okay, the first one, Control V, you've got your list. Now, you've got the address here, 1130 Sherbrooke. So, you go at the bottom, you change the address, meaning 1130. Oops, we don't need all of this. Sherbrooke. So basically that's it. And then after there's another step, okay, but I'll explain it in another video. That's the first step. That's it.